Hello and welcome to ePrime. I am Daedran. Members of the entertainment industry are coming together to form a coalition to push forward its reopening. In a collective release from several industry leaders and entertainment stakeholders, the group stated that they met on Sunday to find solutions and to put forward suggestions for protocol instead of waiting on the government to do so on their behalf.
Alright, so we just got together as a group of entertainment promoters within the industry, respected in our different lines of business or regions, and we said, you know what? There doesn't seem to be a clear vision for when this reopening is going to take effect for the entertainment industry. We realize that the conversation of reopening is happening more regularly and it's clearly going to be imminent at some point, but we don't want it to be said that there's no unified voice coming from the people that are within the industry on what that should look like or what our recommendations are.
Early this month, Howard McIntosh, chairman of the Entertainment Advisory Board, confirmed to the Gleaner that a meeting with the task force was held but declined on the details. Mr. Banky shared with ePrime developments since the meeting.
Promoters that would have been on a call Sunday, their interests will, obviously be represented by persons that sit on the council that are in the same realm as them, people who do events and such alike. As I was saying, I was invited to be a part of the meeting, but for me, because we have had these discussions already, it would have been a bit redundant in terms of coming to discuss the protocols and nuances for restarting the economy when these already have been discussed with persons who do events like myself and my other colleagues, and filtered up to the ministers and the recovery task force. We respect the right for everybody to be able to meet and talk and fully share their ideas, whether it's in their own private association, their own groups, their strength in numbers, or publicly, through the media and such alike. I would just caution and say, just make sure that if you have your private group and your association, just make sure that it's reporting up to either another bigger industry association or a ministry that will, carry your voice further rather than just, having it in a silo.
The entertainment industry is one that has been hard hit by restrictions due to COVID-19. Gatherings are still limited, and places of amusement, sports bars, nightclubs, and sporting venues remain closed. That's it for this evening's edition of ePrime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.